Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can insert a tick mark in a PDF file in your Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. First, open Adobe Acrobat, open your PDF document. Then from here, I want you to head over to All Tools, then click on Fill and Sign. So this is where you can check or locate the tick mark right over here, right? So it shows in here, add a tick mark or a check mark. So I'm going to select this option. Then I'm going to add it right over here, right? If we're going to click on these buttons, this will make the tick mark smaller. This will make it larger, all right? Or you can also simply drag this button to make it or resize it according to your preference, right? Once you're satisfied, you can also change the color. Click over here, change color. For example, I would like to add or choose light green. Oh, okay, it looks bad. Let's choose another color. Okay, let's make it red. All right. So pretty much I'm satisfied with this. I'm just going to make this a bit larger and And there you go. Once you've set your check mark or tick mark, you can also apply this on others. The same size, same color to make it more easier and organized. And there you go. You have now successfully added a tick mark on your PDF document. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.